Mic check 1 2. Okay.
Tima kukuma tenase. Tima juchu. Akwaba. Na bibi aboko de.
Nyame Adom me birthday bounty.
Hey sir. Tuesday yeah be oh ye be di ensuachi. Ye be ron. Ye be ron mensu ensuachi kra. Right there kra ni na de na kro.
In 70 day do so
Bulldog. Yeah.
Manager.
Yeah.
Or say if you ono di onim ne say wo be manage oba age wo date no.
This all ore.
Ani. Sanu no wetimi a control no. Won say unin obere sexually
but ebinum so out of the view that ore. If you are no ban respect no shut down from mom because we say o ade kura wa no. O many ade da.
But don't say on say mad you tell me omo because we need be.
And not just say we no keke so we don't.
Oh really yeah pa say trigger no what say.
You be say abani ba betian.
Listen no. What say until my examples be enye easy. What say to say Becca and the former manager Banton. They were no more relationship net here no. Can who be na e ko ye.
Oh okay.
Because our manager artist now one dating the end the same baby beba.
Yeah same.
Me na me
and the ban say na say obi ba what talent no na say opeso ye ya or the man mankrofo ya manage na ye same pi no because onim so on bury no.
It's project na say I say managers omu dating man nyina no. E was so mo ye o madwen no mo ye dey. Omo we. Because one we enya dia enyom no o ntene ne ho nya. Bulldog dey same beba Ghana. It's one of the work and ba no ne adwen ana.
There be mission. Me manage. Me manage
behind the scenes no mama answer.
Me ma
Hey. Me nim say we are your former best friend.
Yeah, I mean, if you used to be best friends and now, or your former best friend.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes, I know. Yes, that's why they.
Nana to now the say him no. Eh, boy, ya obo ni.
Yeah, I know him.
Or you fiasha as nigga former best friend.
My guy.
What's one no dey? Ade asise o show we asini say on person obefa eye abroka. If fiasha as nigga ex-husband no. So on person obefa ni fie nimpo. Yes, because papa ni very deadly. Yes, we're the former best friend, and so and why the former best friend na one the only nenya encounter that day. Or say ya dey on person the papa ni be kasa kwa so it's dangerous. Obi o ye na aju so betu aside go so dey say wonya wa odo be matronuama bed. Okay. It's the end that Twitter so yeah the year because now I say banter. Sako dey say on the most loyal fans in Ghana. But Nkofo so say that be
enye no kre.
Sawo ho.
Enye all the most loyal fans by the Shatawale.
Hey, oh yeah sure.
Hey, for life is for life. And I am here. Who do utis you from better if you am?
Oh yeah sure.
I tell you, Shatta in boys. Master don't go there. Shatawale ye na so be ya den kro mo abeba na by force.
And your fancy Gadam see one no so. One so be class was say oh na dey na say oh yes sir. Na say ade.
Me say if you are talking about loyalty. Loyal fans. Hey. Pa.
We are very loyal.
For life is for life.
And I be most so cast a Stone Boy.
Oh, Stone Boy and Crawford. I mean, he've got massive love.
You know, but fans, but loyal.
You see, loyalty.
I know. I'm not getting you because somebody, they can even kill for Shatta.
That's what I'm talking about. No. Yeah. For life is for life.
Boy, yeah. I say oh intende Matthias say brother you cry man na simple cry man intende na to say into kwa your so what Twitter no na call songs won say na Kewa and manage no and I maybe your cocky can same say K1 push no on money the necessary attention on say highly spiritual music on money the necessary attention enti no I say my problem eba omu mienu ntem tike wa so ba out because say ne ya say akola me mati me ni say me pese me push you na wo ase weni so and Kelsong sorry no say and then the obey apologize. Now I show long letter to say a touchy.
That's cool.
Or see K1 funny bonny in channel now. Him say sometimes no. Oh, as a young musician, oh, but out now in your publicity, can I say Adreno a tenny. One say a homa blue need to meet it. It's wa apologize to K1. T and train say K1 I reply because I say
now when that's obey accept your apology.
That is it. Or see a mistake. Yeah, or a very big mistake say okay can't answer no say oba eju so gu na so ye ntwa entwini nti no K1 in the way the Ghana phone na o say ye moa no na wo mpa ne papa acho na wo do ne papa nti ye try reply bi o cha na be ba dia.
The version to the K1 so better. I'm sure say K1 will let it go.
Yeah, sure. Oh no, they won't say highly spiritual. But ade dey ya brother.
Oh ade ya mo but I know say he will just let it slide. I believe yeah.
Ah obe fa ne back no ni na ye ejuma dey.
Ho no so ya semfofo.
Thank you. Ho na me person meeting no. Because obviously I so media chill but on you lost it. Now so old school critical thinking.
Yes.
Critical thinking. Logic and
do be an name dey do be an
na
unim sa TF T1 and na be jack crowd critical thinking. Oh no me jack crowd.
Me so waka say oh ya kai
Charlie.
Apeku Santana say a lot of the journalists that were Ghana lack logic and critical thinking because omu to me fast story bia omu motive and say omu say nipa ni they take it from the bad angle as a we are the papa dia ye news no but ye bibi bonus is here omu be ye news no say omu think it critically na come be good
100%.
Thank you.
And the donor this had no for and you see we are always excited about seeing say Obia caught trouble. Obia ni mwengu ase. And we want to trumpet it. But Obia ye bibi papa no. We expect that the person should come and pay before people publish. And I've been talking about this thing all the time.
Waka last one they say Nigeria na obi wari. Wedding day no mo nanti akọ aisle nim no so onya wari bio. I also on pay oba ni bio oba enye easy. This Saturday ya enye easy. Wa pa acho I wa o se be man say so be worry na later no waka se wonu ne ho de. Afi de wa kai say
it's a good decision though
but not on a critical
challenge.
It's on tia limoni enye bibia oja aware na answer ya sharing. E bin see that. Ye pa be man cho so say
I am stopping before I start.
I think it's brother
you too na there. Fast that can say yeah in advance. Your fast that can say my Unidos long love